47 Delta, cross runway 28 right at Echo Echo, right on November, hold short of Delta, correction, hold short of Golf Golf.
Okay, clear to cross, right on November and then short of Golf Golf. American 47 Delta.
While you're out on Kilo, you can call them and see if they're going to let you into Southport. You're welcome to go that way also if they allow it. Welcome.
1-8, full field planning. We just want to know how long we have to hold here.
Condensation 718 Heavy, the northbounds are currently stopped. I don't have any TD for you. They've been releasing the directions shortly, or correction, slowly, so I'll let you know as soon as I know.
Tower 47 Delta.
Number 47 Delta.
I just want to confirm, departures to the north are closed down as well?
American 47 Delta, northbounds are still currently stopped.
Okay, thank you.
Copy that, left turn November, short of Papa 4, Skies 5829.
Yeah, it's 1403, are you shut down?